Hi, my name is Ava Tipton.
And I'm Serena Vans, and we're students from Allen High School. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make the sweet and salty ladybug. The first thing you want to do is get all your ingredients together. So we have a 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, a 1/4 cup of apples, some grapes that we cut in half, tomatoes cut in half, hummus, and peanut butter. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your peanut butter and spread it on 1/2 of the rice cake. The next thing you want to do is take your hummus and spread it on the other half. Then on the peanut butter side, you're going to take your grapes and arrange them to look like the spots of the ladybug. Then you'll take your tomatoes and put it on the other side, on the hummus side. Then for the peanut butter side, you'll take the apple pieces and put them in between the grapes. Last thing you want to do is take the bell pepper and put it on the hummus side. And that's it. Thanks so much.